This is the Air Health 5-stage air purifier for large and small rooms. When I tell you guys I've been reviewing products for over 30 years and creating content and presentation is everything, this company may just take the cake. I was blown away by the presentation, how easy, convenient the instruction manual was. The startup guide is absolutely out of this world. I give this a full-on 5.5. If I could give it 10 stars, I would, just on presentation alone. If this is what the manual and the presentation is right off the bat, I got to tell you this right now, the product must be amazing. So this is where we're unboxing it, and then later on in the video we do a demonstration after 2-3 weeks of using it, how much we love it. I'm going to give you an honest review. Look at this. The packaging is absolutely phenomenal. You have the power cord cable right there, the awesome UV light, the UVC Skye lamp, beautiful boxing, beautiful presentation. That is really super cool and convenient in a day and age where there are more pollutants, more allergens, more pollen in the air. The air quality is absolutely atrocious. Look at this. So I'm taking it out of the box. My wife even commented on this. I've never seen an air purifier that had a beautiful canvas bag covering like that. Because guys, you could actually use that canvas bag for many other things. I know we plan on doing it, but look at this. This is just a state-of-the-art, the sleek, modern design. It's not even that heavy at all. It's only like 20 pounds. The easy setup guide. So what you do is you take the filter out first, unwrap the filter, put the UV light in there. My wife is following the step-by-step. Hear that click? Boom. She totally loves this. She's like, of course it's women owned. She's enamored with this instruction manual and the presentation. She thinks the company's amazing. You click it. She even enjoyed how the arrows were right there. Super easy. It took us literally, 45 seconds to set this thing up. There it is right there in the house. We put the power cord cable in there. We plug it in. Bada boom, bada bang. And, this is another thing I have to talk about really quickly that she again marveled and said, of course, this is how women think. There's actually a location, there's an impress where you can actually wrap the cable around and not have messy, tangled. If you have kids just like we do, dogs, pets, etc., get that cord out of the way. What a brilliant addition to this air purifier. We absolutely love it. And so once we were able to wrap that cord around there, very, very easy, push the power button and boom, you are all set. Now, most air purifiers, I love the digital interface. I'm going to talk about that in a second. Most air purifiers, there's that smell when you first turn it on. My wife and I marveled at not only how immediate we were able to use this and implement this, and the technology is just super powerful. It sounded like a dream. If you white noise lovers, because we sleep with white noise, here's the napkin test on the different levels, the beginning level, middle level, and then the highest level, you're going to see the napkin go up like vertically. We were amazed at how there was zero odor. There was zero pungency, that plasticky kind of factory smell that you usually experience when you first power on a device such as this, an air purifier or anything with this kind of mechanics. We absolutely marveled at it, and the air was crisp, the air was clean. This thing cleans a 1,600 square foot room in 30 minutes. It can also do 3,200 square feet and beyond. Look at the interface there, and we were so amazed at the manual, how easy to follow the pictorial graphics and display. And by the way, guys, you can connect your phone. It took us less than 10 seconds to connect our Wi-Fi. You can actually use this device on your phone. Boom, voila. Look at that. You have full smart capacity, smartphone adaptivity. You can control everything from the comfort of your smart device, and it's just phenomenal. We could change the level of speed. We could change its, gradation. We could check to see how good our filter is. We can check the air quality. I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal. This thing does it all. And so it has a 5-stage purification. We use this for really a while now, and all my allergies, I couldn't believe it, were absolutely obliterated. It has pre-filter, activated carbon filter, H13 Hepa filter, 99.97% of microparticles. UVC light reduces bacteria, viruses, mold, and fungi. Cleaner air fast. It's quiet. Low noise from 22 decibels on level 1. We absolutely love this thing. You cannot go wrong. Get this Air 5 Skye Stage right now.